And this was how I found the love of my life. Watch this video to the end to find out more. So I'm basically just using the Tara concealer as base before I go in with this Tara Queen Nana 2 eyeshadow palette. Now this eyeshadow palette is the definition of gorgeousness. Just take a look at that pigment. You can see from my expression on the video that I was wowed. There was zero fallout and it gave the perfect pigment. Then I went in with a matte eyeshadow from the same palette, and you can see that even the matte eyeshadow is not disappointing. Like, it did not disappoint. I went ahead to highlight my face using a shade from the same palette. I'm so satisfied with this eyeshadow palette. I'm definitely going to keep using it, and this is the finished look. So guys, this was how I met the love of my life. What are you waiting for? Please run to their page. Do not walk, run. Bye guys.